Okay, hey guys, I just want to show you the new cream blushes. I'm so excited about these things. So they come in 3 different palettes. This one is Honey Glow. So it comes with the pink, coral, and they all come with a highlighter. So I'll show you the colors real quick first. So we have this one. This one is Brilliant Sunset. And then we have this one. As you can see, I've been using this one a lot because it's a little bit fingerprinted. But anyway. So these are the beautiful little palettes, cream palettes. And this one is Golden Hour. So I'm going to show you real quick how to use it, how I use it anyway. I used to not even like cream makeups, but as my skin is getting more mature, I guess they say, I like it because it doesn't like get in cracks so much like powder does. So I'm going to take I'm going to go ahead and do this coral color. It kind of looks a little pink on screen, but it's more coral. Anyway, I usually use pinks, but I'm going to show you how these are really versatile. So I'm going to put it up here, a little bit on my cheeks. I'm going to use my beauty sponge. If I want it to be a little bit heavier, sometimes I'll just use my brush. Okay, so start piling that on there. And a little darker. See, it's really buildable. And then I'll just take my finger, literally, and I will just put some right there above the hood. A little more. And I can just take I'd take my brush if I had it sitting here, and just blend it in. And then sometimes I even take a little bit of it and go under my eyes with it. Kind of like a liner. Ooh, I had some brown on this brush, as you can see. Oh, that's not pretty now, is it? Or is it? I don't know. It's alright. Just blend that up there a little. I want to show you the difference though real quick of, and I usually, obviously, you can tell I'm not paying attention to doing this as a video. This is just what I do if I'm doing it real fast in the morning. Just blend it in. Blend it in. And then I take my highlighter, bottom one, literally use my finger again. Put a little bit on my, right under there, under the brow. I gotta get a brush. Anyway. So then I just take my little windshield wiper. I call it a windshield wiper brush. Blend it. Like now I can see like I want a little bit more of the coral color. So I'm gonna just put a little bit more up here. Now, I'm going to show you the difference if you don't put it up here at our age. If you're watching videos and you're our age, my age, and I'm fine with telling you, I'm what, 53 this year, I guess, and you're still watching videos of 20-year-olds putting on makeup and it doesn't look the same on you, right? So they're putting, like if they're putting their makeup down here, right? They're putting their eyeshadow down here. See how it looks too heavy down there? It needs to be above the hood. And I'm just going to leave it dark just for example, without blending it. See how much more it lifts if you stay up high with it? There you go. That's a good example, right? And I'm going to show you another thing with the cheeks. So this time I'm going to use the pink, a little bit of the pink on this side. So it used to be, right, you'd go put your blush all the way down here, right? Big old rosy cheek. See how drooped it is? Versus just staying up here. And I'm leaving it dark and not blending it just to show you the difference, right? Look how much more this side looks lifted and this side looks droopy. So you don't want it down in here. And then once again, now obviously I'm going to blend it either way, but with my retractable, this is a great brush, you guys. It's just a retractable brush. Fits in your purse, whatever. Luggage, yeah, because we don't need to be going on vacation. And like I said, and then I would just kind of blend all this in. Take my highlighter again, and I think I'm just mixing different palettes now just to show you some colors, but put a little bit of that on the bottom. Blend that in. Okay, I literally take my finger and I will highlight up here. I got down a little too low, but highlight here. And I will blend it again with my brush. Pretty simple, right? So this is what's cool. You can take these colors, and I'll use a different palette for another example. And I'm going to use it, let me find, let's see, where's the darkest pink? We'll do the darkest pink on my lips. Yes, I'm mixing colors. So I'm going to take this pink one. This is, let's see, Honey Glow. Okay, I'm going to just, once again, I'm going to put some of this on my lips. Like these palettes you can use for everything. Layer it if you want it darker. And then I just take my number 24. This is the bomb, you guys. It's listed on my website as Mysterious. It's listed by itself. That's how I do my lip gloss, yes. Perfect. This stuff goes over top of everything. It's just a little tiny shimmer, little diamond shimmer. I love it. And it's super hydrating, has SPF in it. So anyway, that gives you kind of an idea how that definitely looks better up high than down low, right? That cheek looks better up high than down low. And then if you want your lips to look a little bit bigger, take your highlighter, put it there in the middle. Man, I love this highlighter. So just took a little, I went right around here. God, I love that. Blend it in a little bit. And if you think you got too much on, just put a little bit more of your blush over it. Your cream. Ooh, I like it a lot. And then last but not least, man, do I need to blend. Anyway, I left it heavy because I want you guys to be able to see, but blend, blend, blend. It's always about blending, whether it's eyeshadow, whatever. Last but not least, use your setting spray. It will last all day. Voila. Okay, so I used a little too much setting spray. It'll dry, no big deal. And if you're putting your makeup on and your face is kind of dry, first of all, I always start with my primer. I'll show you. I always start with a makeup primer because that's how you get a flawless finish. It's how you make your skin look smoother. It fills in your lines and wrinkles. Lines and wrinkles, aren't they the same thing? Anyway, start with your primer. Put your makeup on. Use your setting spray. And voila. And I got real heavy with that setting spray, but it's fine. It'll dry. Oh, that's what I was going to say. One more thing. When you're putting your makeup on, if your skin is dry, put some setting spray on your face during your makeup, before your makeup, whenever you need to. You can even put some, sometimes I put some setting spray on my little sponge, and beauty blender. It's not a sponge. You don't pluck your eyebrows. It's tweezers. Okay, squirrel. That's the gist of it. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. All right, and y'all know when we're doing these videos that I have ADD and ADHD, right? So I might do a little hopping around. I mean, I'm on medication for it. You can let me know if that's working or not. I'm not sure, but I do the best I can to stay focused, okay? Ooh, did I get crazy with that setting spray or what? All right. See you soon.